Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use coins inside AliExpress. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video, shall we? Alright guys, open up AliExpress on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged in into your account. Once you are logged in, you want to go to the home page here and then click onto coins. Then the coins page will appear. And in order to get more coins, all you can simply do is just check in every day. So day 1 will get 30 coins, day 2 90, etc, etc. So that's one way to get more coins. Or you can play daily games or games inside AliExpress to get more coins. And to use your coins, you just scroll down a bit and you got recommended or 20% off. So if I scroll down recommended, you can see here this powerful mini LED flashlight is $1.56, but 14% off using coins. Scroll down again, portable rechargeable, whatever that is, 50% off. And if I click on 20% off plus, these are all these items that have more than 20% plus off items. So for example, I scroll down a bit, you can see all these savings here when you use your coins. So you got 30% off this dress here, women's dress, etc. So what you want to do if you like any of these items, so this pocket thing I'm going to click into, so it's $1.56, extra 55% off with coins. Now what you want to do is add this to cart, or simply buy now. So add to cart. I'm going to click on continue. Now I'm going to go to checkout. So I'm going to head back, continue to checkout. Alright, looks like this item is unavailable, so I'm going to leave this page. I'm going to choose a different product, so I'm going to choose this one here. I'm just going to click on buy now. And now what you do is just add in your shipping address, payment method, have a look at the items. If you want more of these items, I can increase it or decrease it, and it'll change the price obviously. And then scroll down and then click on place order. And yeah, that's how to use coins inside AliExpress. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.